Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and today we're taking a look at the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 wireless earbuds. Now these earphones come in black and white and can be had at the moment for under £100, so let's take a look. So first things first, we have all the information on the back in regards to what the headphones have and what they can do. You've got a diamond coated driver, 4 microphones for noise cancelling, Hear ID personalised sound, you can charge for 10 minutes for 2 hours listening, which is awesome. It does have wireless charging built in, 7 hours playtime and 28 hours with the included case, so overall a good package, and they are fully sweat proof with IPX5 water resistance. And as I mentioned, you get all of that for under £100, and of course they will be linked in the description box down below. Now for some reason mine are a little bit off center, there we go. So first off to the unboxing. So really nice packaging as always from Anker and Soundcore. The packaging can be a little bit hard to get into, but once you're in the box you've got everything laid out exactly as you would expect. You've got the charging case just down here at the bottom, and then the 2 earbuds at the top, and on first feel they do feel very premium indeed. Under there we do have all of the accessories that come with the headphones themselves. So the first thing that we're going to find is some paperwork just down here at the bottom as well. You've then got your multiple ear tips, and there are a ton to choose from. And then you've got the charging cable, which as I can see here is USB Type-C, which is great to see on some premium modern day wireless headphones. Now the look and feel of the carrying case is also very nice. It has a really nice textured finish to it. It kind of feels a bit like a pebble. You've got some Soundcore branding just there on the top, hinge on the back, USB-C charging just down here on the bottom along with wireless charging, and also a button to check the battery life as well with these LED indicators just here on the front, which is really nice to see and often overlooked with some other headphones. It has a really solid hinge to it with a really nice magnet, so in regards to closing and opening the actual case itself, it does feel very secure and I haven't really had any problems at all. Overall, the packaging is definitely very nice and they do also feel very secure as well. For some reason the LEDs on the front do different things when I close and open it. Sometimes all 3 flash, sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's both, so a little bit complicated. Once you take them out, as you can see here, you can see the charging just down there at the bottom, but in regards to the headphones themselves, they do feel very nice, premium, and also very solid, even though they are very lightweight for some wireless headphones. Now you do get 2 microphones on each earbud, so one at the top and one at the bottom, and this is great for helping with noise reduction while you are on a phone call, but there is no sort of noise reduction or noise cancellation while listening to music, so that's something that you may miss out on compared to some other wireless headphones. You do also have a touch panel on the right and left earbud as well, then this is basically for going forwards and backwards tracks, pause, play, anything that you can think of. So again, that is also customizable in the application, which we'll look at in just a moment. Now they do fall out occasionally, but you do have to shake it quite a lot. But overall, in regards to fit and finish of the headphones, I've got no complaints at all. They do feel really nice. Now you do also have the pocket test as well. So most jeans for men do have this little change pocket here just at the top, which I always use basically for wireless earbuds. And these do fit in, but it's maybe a little bit of a tight squeeze, can be a little bit hard to get them in and out, but overall they fit, so if that's something you're looking for, then they've got you covered. Now once you've got the earphones all connected to your phone via Bluetooth, head over to the Play Store or App Store and then download the Soundcore application. Once in there you can see all of the speakers that they offer and also the headphones as well, and then all you want to do is go through. So for me it's the Liberty series, and we've got here the Liberty Air 2, click on connect, and then you've got access to the full application. Here's where you're going to find all of the stuff like Hear ID, 22 EQ settings, customized controls, and this is also where you're going to get your firmware updates as well. So if you head over to the controls section, this is where you can change what the earphones actually do with a double tap or a longer press. So with the left one, for example, you can have play, pause, next or previous track, summon the assistant, or you can also do volume controls, which again, a lot of wireless earbuds for some reason don't have that option, and you can only really do it while touching the phone, which may not be great for everyday use. You've also got auto pause, so again, when you take them in and out of your ears, it is then going to play and pause the the music. You can also check the battery life from within the application here just by clicking on the left and right options at the top. You've then got the equalizer settings, and this is a really nice way that you can customize the sound to get it exactly how you want to. So first off, you have the custom equalizer, and you can then save it as presets if you want to. You've then also got some professional EQs from some Grammy award winning producers, and there's a ton here to choose from, and there's also more coming soon, and they do get added on a fairly regular basis. You've then also got the main EQ settings, which again is where you're going to find 22 different types of equalizer. So you've got things like acoustic music, pop music, R&B, electronic, flat, deep, classic, plus a ton more to choose from, and you've also got the Soundcore signature, which is basically how they're meant to sound. And next up then we come to the Hear ID section of the app, and this is something that I've never really experienced before. So first off, you have to select your age bracket and then get into a very quiet room, because it won't actually let you do this unless you're in an environment that's very quiet, because it's going to play specific sounds in your ears. Now the way that it reads on the website is you can map your hearing sensitivity across multiple frequencies to create custom EQ settings for a truly personalized listening experience. Now, while that may sound a little bit complicated, all it does is it plays different frequency sounds in your left and right ear. You have to press when you hear the sound, release when you don't hear the sound, and it's then going to go through and it basically create a custom EQ setting based on your specific ears and what you can and can't hear. It's a really awesome feature that I've not really seen on any other type of headphone before, so to have that included is really awesome to see, but how does it actually sound? Well, once you've actually finished the test, you can then see exactly what it's going to do for your EQ setting, as you can see just here, and then you can turn this feature on and off if you need to. Now for me, I'm definitely going to have to listen to this with some music to see if it actually makes any sort of difference compared to just picking a standard EQ from a long list to choose from. And I will be honest, while it does change the sound of the music, it's not necessarily a sound that I really enjoy. As you can see from my custom EQ, everything stays pretty much exactly the same apart from the treble going up a little bit towards the end there, and for me it does sound a little bit tinny for my liking. Now for me, I'm more into maybe bass heavy headphones for example, so again I do like maybe a bit more bass than treble, so for me I would rather just go through and pick a completely random preset for one that I think sounds a little bit better. But to be honest, the Soundcore signature that is the default does sound really good, and overall the listening experience is actually really nice. Now don't get me wrong, these are on the maybe more budget end of wireless headphones at under £100, however the sound that they kick out and also the volume is really good. I didn't really have any issues listening to a ton of different music styles, podcasts, anything with voices sounds extremely good, and also any sort of videos as well, and because of the Bluetooth 5.0 on board, there was very little to no lag when watching videos, which again is something that you don't get with all wireless earbuds. So really overall the sound was really good, but for me the volume can get a little bit too loud if you have it at the really high end, so maybe around 50 to 70% is that sweet spot where they sound really good. Now it does also have ear detection, so as you can see the music is currently playing. However, if I take the earphones out, you can see then that the music has then paused, and then if I put them back in, it's then going to continue to play again, so that works perfectly fine. And again, this is something that you get on maybe the more premium or higher end wireless earbuds. You'd also have the touch controls, so a double tap on the right earbud for me plays and pauses the music, while a double tap on the left then goes ahead and changes the track. Now it doesn't always work, I would say maybe 80 to 90% of the time, but overall it's not too bad. And again, if I hold on either one of the earbuds for around 2 seconds, it's then going to bring up my Google Assistant, and then I can talk to it and get responses straight away using the headphones, which can be really handy when you're out and about. But overall the controls on the earbuds do feel really nice, and again they work a lot of the time but not 100%. Something else I care about is how quickly it changes from the earbuds to my device input once I place the earbuds back into the case. So I'm going to place these in here, playing the music through the earbuds, close the lid, and then you can see that it's going to pause the music, and then when I go ahead and press play, this is now coming from my device, super quick and very easy to use. And that's going to do it, guys, on this video for the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 wireless earbuds. So overall, they are very good for the price, and I can definitely recommend them. And of course, they will be linked in that description box down below. Now, Anker and Soundcore did send these out for the purpose of review. However, they haven't seen the video before you guys, so these are my own thoughts and opinions, and they will see it as soon as you guys do. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section, or you can get hold of me on Twitter at @CopperVersusGlass. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, now is a great time to do so, and if you are subscribed, don't forget to turn on notifications so you're notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from CopperVersusGlass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.